Now this illustration is dealing with a non-grounded type receptacle. In accordance with 406.4, D as in dog 2, D3, and exception. Now again, as you notice, we always list sections that we recommend that you review to understand certain things in greater detail. The NEC loop, 250.148, should be looked at. 300.13b as in boy should be looked at. 200.10 as well as 250.126. Now, shown is a non-grounding type receptacle. The branch circuit is a non-grounding type circuit, meaning it doesn't have an equipment ground in the system. If it's, say, non-metallic sheath cable, it's just 12-2 without ground or 14-2 without ground. So only a non-grounded type receptacle could be put there, as you see. We could replace a non-grounding type receptacle. And as the electrician, you say, well, I'm having a hard time finding those. So you could use a GFCI type receptacle, put in the first outlet of that branch circuit, and you could protect downstream without having an equipment ground in accordance with your 210.8A or B, depending, is this a commercial facility or is it residential? And then notice you have to use 210.8A or B in conjunction with 406.4 of the NEC, where you would pick up D2, D3, or the exception there. So what the code is allowing here in this figure 10-3, if you don't use a GFCI at the first outlet protecting downstream with a label that would state there's no equipment ground present there, then you'd have to go back with a non-grounding type receptacle. So that's what this illustration 10-3 is illustrating, that it's a non-grounded type receptacle replacing a non-grounded type receptacle on a circuit without an equipment ground, which would be 14-2 or 12-2 Romex without a ground.